Now, when people think about electricity, what they normally think about is they normally think about little things called electrons traveling along a wire. So I'll draw a little electron here with it's got a negative charge, another electron, and those guys are all traveling along this wire. So the wire is metal and it conducts electricity. It's coated in this little layer of plastic here. So the plastic is an insulator, it doesn't conduct electricity. And that's what most people think of, electrons traveling along a wire. And they're right, and that is electricity. But electricity is also other things. So electricity can also be over here. Again, it's actually electrons, but this lightning is an example of electricity. It's actually an example of static electricity. So clouds rub together and it builds up this static charge, and when enough is built up, it zooms down to the ground as this awesome looking and also very dangerous lightning bolt. But that again, this is a flow of electrons from one point to another. So it's quite similar to the wire. So again, it's electrons moving from one point to another, but electricity is not always just electrons. So down here, I've actually got a lithium ion battery. So lithium is an element, its symbol is Li, and an ion means it's a charged atom, and the lithium ion is a Li+. So what this battery does is, there's lithium ions, so these charged atoms or charged particles, and they flow through this battery. So, but again, it's quite similar because it's a charged particle moving from one point to the next. And that's really what electricity is. So whether it's via electrons traveling in a wire, or whether it's electrons zipping down from clouds down to Earth, or whether it's charged ions in a battery, electricity is the flow of charged particles from one point to another. And electricity is super duper useful in heaps and heaps of things that we do these days. But it's all about charged particles flowing from one point to another.